Hello friends, today we'll install Speedotrack GPS tracking device on Tata Nexon. Now let's see the process of installation. Inside the box we get the Speedotrack GPS tracking device. Then we have to open like this and insert the SIM card as shown. Now we have to unscrew all the nuts and open this cover so that we can do all the wiring. So like this we have to open this cover. Now we have to remove this coupler, the white one, in which we'll find all the GPS device wiring wire. So now we have to test the continue power line. So one by one we are checking in which port we are getting the voltage without the ignition key. So in this port we are getting 12.5 volt. So this is the continue power line without the ignition wire, and the color of the wire is red color. So this is our continue power line. Now make a jumper wire, insert one end to the continue power line and then try with other ports. Check in which ports we are getting the light on the dashboard. So you can see in this port we are getting the dashboard lighted, and when we remove it you can see the light turns off of the dashboard. So this is our ignition wire. The color is yellow. This we will connect our device ignition wire and the relay. Now we will do the installation without any wire cut. So for that we have to remove the ignition wire, which is yellow color, and we have to remove this pin outside. So for removing that we have to open the top cover also as shown, so it will release the pin. So now we have to gently push from this side and pull outside this pin. So the pin is out. Now from the market you can get the similar or the same kind of pin that we have to connect to the relay. It's the same pin. So now at the one end of our relay wire, the green wire, we have connected the pin and inserted into that coupler. The other end of the relay green wire, and the device yellow wire, which is the ignition status wire, is connected to the other end of the yellow wire, which is outside. So by this wiring we have made a series connection of the relay. And now you have to tape it properly. Now we are using the Scotch lock so that we can get the power line from the ignition wire, which is the green wire we have connected, and the white wire of the relay is the power for the relay. So we are connecting to that wire. So white wire is connected to the top side of the ignition wire, coupler side, and then we have to press it. So the connection is being made. Now we will connect the red wire of the device, which is the constant power line, and we will put inside the port, which is the red color one, the first port, and after that we will reconnect the coupler. Relay yellow wire is the negative wire, which is connected to the device white wire, which is the digital output wire. So just connect it and tape it, and the last wire is the earthing wire, negative one. So we can connect on the body ground or any nut. So in this nut we have connected our body ground wire, which is a black wire. Now we will connect the relay, 12 volt relay, to the relay socket, and the wiring process is complete. Now you can see the light, green LED light is blinking on the device. It means that it is connected properly. Now we will open the Speedotrack mobile application, enter the user ID and password and click on login. You can see the status of the device. It's connected. Now we'll click on live tracking and see the status. It's showing the location, battery voltage, GPS level, GSM level, and many other parameters. or turn off the engine from the mobile application. This is very useful in case of emergencies. So just click on the engine lock icon, press yes, and then enter your password. Press OK and then press on GPRS. After that, your command is successfully executed and you can see that the engine is turned off. There is no light on the dashboard and the ignition key will not work because the engine is immobilized by our device. So to open it, we have to press on engine unlock, enter the password, press OK, and by GPRS will send this command successfully executed, and you can see the light turns on the dashboard. Now you can turn on the engine.
दिया हुआ है स्टार्ट कीजिए
क्या फोकस करना है
So the lock function is working perfectly fine. Now we have to place the device in a proper location. Now we have to pack all the things after the device wiring is done. Close this cover. And the installation process is complete.